Well, hello there and welcome to another training nugget. In this video, I'll be showing you on how to publish a Canva presentation in WordPress. So let's get started. Well, the first thing I'll want to do is to log into my Canva account. If you don't have one, navigate to canva.com and create your free version. Well, the first thing before publishing a presentation is to create a presentation. On my Canva area, I'll navigate into presentation. I'll then look at the available templates within the presentation category and choose one that rhymes with my business. I will stick to the business proposal. I'll click on it once and the template will open in design mode. Notice I have the ability to apply all the 13 pages that exist in this template. I'll click on yes to accept, and now the thumbnails will show at the bottom side. To change some of the elements in here, it's simply by just double clicking on the element and editing them to fit your design. I can also decide to upload an image of my choice, either for the logo or the image that is sourcing here. In this aspect, to change this image, I'll navigate into the upload option, upload from my computer or the available tools. In this case, rather than this, I'll have this image to replace that existing image there. Once I feel that my presentation is looking good, now it's time for me to publish this in WordPress. Well, to make that possible, I will navigate into the share option and select the more. From the more area, I will select on the embed, and here I am prompted with an embed option into my website. So I'll click on embed for it to create for me a link that brings this particular template into my WordPress. So I don't want to do a smart embed, I want to do a HTML embed. So I will copy the HTML code and navigate into an existing WordPress publishing area. I'll enter the title, and then in the design area here, I will select an element, and in this case, I want HTML. I'll select custom HTML so I'm able to write my HTML code in here, and I'll click and paste my embed code. Once this is done, I can decide to click on the preview just to see how that looks like. And there, now I'm able to scroll through my design and my template. I'll then navigate at the top section and select publish. And once that is published, now this PowerPoint is available for the public. I'll click on view post just to preview what we have already done. And here we go. Our presentation from Canva has been imported and published here in WordPress. Notice that I also have the control option that I can navigate, and I can also make it full screen for easy of visibility. I can navigate still and showcase my presentation. Well, that is how you publish a Canva presentation in WordPress. If you liked this video, hit on that subscribe button and I'll be seeing you in the next nugget.